Here's Sketchup. I'm using it to prove my Sunpath diagram. So, in my Sunpath diagram here, I have shadows. I have a building which is 30 meters from the origin, and it's inclined at 20 degrees from south. So, if here is the south, this side, this is 20 degrees, it's 30 meters. Okay? It is 10-meter wide, 5-meter thick, and 36-meter high. So, to determine if the Sunpath diagram is correct, we use SketchUp and we make the model in SketchUp. Then you have the solar north, which is this yellow line here. So first we check the model information. We set the geographic location, country Philippines, location Manila, latitude 14 degrees 37 minutes Newton. I mean north. 121 degrees east. Okay? Okay na yan. So yung shadow ito. Nakasulat sa ano ko, sunpath diagram ko, 12 noon, 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Pagdating ng 12, wala pa masyadong shadow na magsisinag sa'yo. Pero bago mag 1, siguro mga ano to, 12:45. Tingnan natin ang 12:45. 12:45, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ba't nawala? Sige, dalhin muna natin sa 12:45. Nawala pala. Kaya nawala. Kasi ang date, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yung shadow natin lumabas between December and January. Nandito tayo sa July. Punta tayo sa December. Ayun, nasa December na tayo. So, 12:45. Ayun, oh. Kita mo? Between 12:45 and 1:50, masisinagan ka na nga ng building na yan. I mean, masyadan ka. Yan, oh. Yan, oh. Mga ganyan. Around that, kita nyo yung kabutihan ng SketchUp. Tapos, January pa. Ganun din. Okay? That's a great software.